Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix Duolingo lessons not loading. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Duolingo and open the app. And first of all, you have to check that the internet is working, and you should check also that you have energy in the app. Energy is something essential for you so you can play. And also other things you have to check is that Duolingo app is up to date. To do that, you have to go to the App Store, and after that go and look for Duolingo and go for the app. And as you can see, the blue icon for me is open. That means that the Duolingo app is up to date. And if there is a needed update, you have to check it and do the update. And another important thing, you have to check if the internet is working or not on the app. To do that, you have to go to settings. And after that, in settings, go to cellular. Scroll down until you find like the apps. Click on show all and look for Duolingo. And here you have to choose the third option, WLAN and cellular data, because if you choose off, that means that the internet will not work at all on Duolingo app. If you choose WLAN, that means that the app will work only on Wi-Fi. And if you check WLAN and cellular data, that means that the internet will work on the app if you are using 5G or using Wi-Fi or 4G for sure. And if all those solutions are not working, maybe you have to just delete Duolingo app and install it again. To delete it, you have to long press on it, and after that click on remove app and delete it, and go and install it again from the App Store. And I'm pretty sure that one of those solutions will work well for you. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see